There always used to be this incredible mystique about making mayonnaise. It was complicated, it was time consuming. It really did take a long time at one point. It's really easy. 5 ingredients. 1 egg. Half a teaspoonful of salt. Half a teaspoonful of mustard. Now, that's dry mustard, so I'm going to use almost a teaspoon of nice Southbrook slightly grainy mustard. That's what binds it. Total, you're going to use 2 tablespoons full of vinegar. I measure it all out at the start. Put about half in to start off with. You can tilt your food processor a little bit, helps it mix. Blend it up a little bit. Now, 1.5 cups of oil. I use canola or something neutral. You can use a little bit of olive oil, but I think you'll find it's very strong flavor. Drizzle it in. If you do it over 20 seconds or so, that should be okay. You can see it start to set up. It's all set up nicely. So start it again. Pour in the 2nd tablespoon, the last of the vinegar. You're done. Because I've used prepared mustard, Southbrook prepared mustard, it's a little grainy looking, but this on a sandwich, this on asparagus is just absolutely amazing. Once you try this, you will never go back to Hellmann's. Even though it's good mayonnaise, this is just way better.